Good morning, dear students. I will teach you chapter 11. Name of the chapter 11 is the light, shadow and reflection. Today I will give you difference between a shadow and an image formed in a pinhole camera. What is the difference between shadow and images in the formed in a pinhole camera? Shadow is a dark outline formed behind an opaque body. Shadow is a dark outline formed behind an opaque body, and image in a pinhole camera shows all details of an object. Shadow of the object can be misleading, but image formed in a pinhole camera is not misleading. No colors are seen in the shadow, but in image in the formed in the pinhole camera, all colors are seen in image in a pinhole camera. Shadow are not inverted, but image in pinhole camera, image in the pinhole camera is always inverted. Shadows can be smaller or bigger than the opaque body, but image in the pinhole camera is always smaller than the object. What is the reflection of light? You must have seen inverted image of trees in still lake water, and you will see your image when you look in the mirror, and all this happens due to the reflection of light. Let us perform the following activity 5. To show smooth and polished surfaces causes reflection of light. Materials required. What are the materials required? A small plain mirror, looking glass, highly polished brass plate, and a torch, a book or a wooden board. Method. This activity should be done with at least 2 of your friends in a dark room at night, and switch off the lights and then switch on the torch. Allow the beam of torch light on fall on the looking glass and held by one of your friends. Ask your friend to turn the looking glass gently so that the beam of the torch light falling on it turn in the direction of your second friend. Notice that beam of light changes its direction on striking the surface of looking glass. Then now ask your friend for holding looking glass to turn it in various directions. Then you will notice that as the mirror turns, the beam of light bouncing off its surface also turns and form a bright light patch on the walls of the room. Repeat this activity with brightly polished brass plate, and you will notice the similar results as in case of looking glass. And repeat the activity with wooden board or the book. You will notice that no bright patch of the light is formed on the walls. Why? It is because the surface of wooden block or the book is rough, thus no reflection takes place. And what is the conclusion? The phenomena due to which a beam of light bounces off the surface, of a brightly polished surface in some other direction is called the reflection of light, and the smooth polished surface from which reflection of light takes place is called the mirror. And this is all about chapter 11. And now keywords. And keywords: beam of light. What is the beam of light? The collection of a large number of rays of light. The collection of a large number of rays of light is called the beam of light. Now, what is the extended source of light? Any source of light which is bigger than a point source of light is called the extended source of light. What is the homogeneous medium? An optical medium which has a uniform composition throughout, which has a uniform composition throughout. Heterogeneous medium, an optical medium which has different composition at different points. Luminous body, a body which emits light by itself, is called luminous body. What is the mirror? Any smooth polished surface from which a reflection of light takes place. Non-luminous body, a body which does not emit light of its own but becomes visible in light is called the non-luminous body. What is the optical medium? Optical medium, any material or non-material through which light passes wholly or partially. Opaque body, a body which does not allow light energy to pass through it. Opaque body, a body which does not allow light energy to pass through it. Point source of light, a source of light which is of size of the head of a common pin. This is called the point source of light. Ray of light, the path along which light travels in a given direction is called the ray of light. Reflection, the phenomena due to which beam of light bounces off from a smooth polished surface in some other direction. Shadow, a dark patch formed behind an opaque body when placed in the path of light. Transparent medium, a medium which allows most of the light energy to pass through it. Translucent medium, a medium which partially allows the light energy to pass through it is called the translucent medium. And light is an invisible energy and which causes in us the sensation of vision. Light always travels in a straight lines, and pinhole camera is based on the principle of rectilinear propagation of light. The image formed in a pinhole camera is real, inverted and diminished in size. And the shadow is always a dark outline of any object, irrespective of the color of the object or the color of the light. For the formation of shadow, three must be: source of light, opaque body and opaque screen. Reflection takes place from the polished smooth surfaces, and images of the objects show all the details of objects, whereas the shadows are dark outline of the objects. So this is the chapter 11, and chapter 11, light, shadow and reflection. You will take revision, and activity will also come in exam, so you will take revision of activity also. And now half yearly exam is coming, so you will take revision properly. First you will read this chapter, and what is the activity is given in this chapter you will read properly, and you will take revision also. And then 10 marks, for 10 marks multiple choice questions, 10 marks fill in the blanks, and 10 marks true false, and for 10 marks match the following, 20 marks answer the following, then 24 marks long answer including activity, experiment, this, and then diagram. What is the, some diagrams are given, and that diagrams you will take revision. Like different types of flowers are given, you will take revision of different types of flowers, sepals, petals, etc. Different diagrams of given in different chapters, you will take revision of the diagram also, because it will come in exam. And this is for the 6 mark. Diagram is for the 6 mark. So you will take revision of the diagram also, and you will take revision of the activity also, because activity will also come in the exam, and diagram will also come in the exam. You will take revision properly. So this is all about chapter 11. Now question answer is remaining of this chapter I will give you later.